This is American living off-grid in Africa. I decided to make a video earlier this morning on the rocket stove that my husband made 3 weeks ago. We haven't used it, so today is going to be the first time. I made the fire and it came out really good. So I'm going to cook what we call nsima. It's the dough made out of cornmeal and water, and nothing is added to it, just the cornmeal and water, and we call it nsima here in Malawi. You might be able to see the flames inside the rocket. It's doing really good. I put quite a lot of wood, but when we are watching online, somebody told us we don't need so much wood because these rocket stoves, they're very effective. But I guess maybe my husband just made it just too big. As you can see, it took a lot of blocks to make, but the fire is coming out really nice, and I'm thinking that maybe the nsima should be able to cook in a few minutes. So today I'm cooking nsima only for 3 people, me and my 2 brothers. Today is Saturday, so we happen to have only 1 worker. In fact, it's going to be 4 people with 1 worker that is helping us do the landscaping outside. So the nsima is going to be for 4 people. The rocket is doing really good so far. Earlier I decided I was going to put this one from the old stove, from the old cooker, but it was quite high, so I just put these 2 I don't know what to call them, but it's working. They're made out of steel, so I will just call them steel bars. I've been wanting to make a rocket stove for a long time. Now I feel better now. In the afternoon, I'm planning to do the video on our neighborhood. The time we started building here, there was quite few houses around, and there were no electricity. There was no water. Excuse me. But now we have electricity. Almost everybody has electricity, and almost everybody has water, the city water. And that's why we called American living off-grid, because it was quite like really remote. But the people are starting to realize that buying the land away from the from town is cheap, so they're opting to get to places like we bought, and that's why people are flocking in here. While I'm waiting on the water to boil so I can start cooking, we have 3 guinea birds here. In fact, we had 5, but we ate 2 big ones. We ate 1 big one. The other one, the dog decided to come and steal one of the guinea birds. And we have 5 chicks. and two hens and one male chicken. There he is hiding somewhere. I can't see him. Usually he'll make noise like at a very early time in the morning, waking everybody up. And that's the chicken coop here. And those, we're gonna use them for manure. My husband wakes up early in the morning and in the afternoon to fetch for the grass. And then once they dry out, the chickens and the guinea pigs, they're gonna be making some poop in there, and then we'll mix. This is my husband is trying to steal my ideas of the making the video on the rocket stove. Is really doing good. You can see the fire from here. I guess I'll stop from here because I have to cook some nsima. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch our other videos. Thank you. Bye for now.